Hi, it's time for trucks. Today I'm above the M5 North Gordano services. Let's see what trucks we can spot. Oh, I see Tim. Tim is there. There is Trucker Tim right there. Here he comes. I can see him on the live. I've got eyes on. Right, let's get a decent picture, a half decent picture. Here we go. Here comes Trucker Tim for you. I can see him coming round. He's flashing. Yeah. Look at him go. Yes, brother. That's a hell of a performance, Tim. Oh, look at this coming down. Look at this in the first lane. It's got some Talmoos on. Oh, we like a Talmoo. Look at her. Has she got an excavator on the back? Yeah. Look at that, yeah! Wow! What's that in the middle lane? Egertons! Egertons! You like an Egertons? He's only got 7 of these trucks, check it out. Look at that! That is nice! Yes! That was smart. Oh look, you got some static homes on the way as well. 2 static homes there, yeah. Path coming down, you can just about see it coming around the corner. That looks very nice. Who is that? M. Roberts and Son. That looks smart. Oh, there's Martin Baker behind as well. Coin Bowser, thanks for the 2 ice cream cones. Oh, we got a flash going on. Yes. Look at the flash go. Yes. Seen. Eyes on. Excellent. Oh, I see a daft. Oh look, oh. We've got some static homes coming down. I don't know if you can see them. Well, I'm going to zoom in for you a second. I don't know how good the zoom's going to be. Look. See that up top of the hill there? We've got some static homes on the way. Yeah. I like a static home. Right, let's get a nice picture of this. 2 Renaults, yes. Handsome. Oh, look at this Volvo coming down. That's quite nice. Is that TJK haulage? Yes, the flash. Oh, the BFG, there he is! I've been waiting to get him for a while. He used to work for Main Car, now he works for TFJ. Excellent. Oh, look at this coming down. Middle lane, grey Scania, green lights. We like that. Can I get a picture though? That's the next thing. Yes, the flash. Wow, and the Renault got involved as well. Excellent. We like that. Awesome.